Hi there, it's Justine. We are going to do our drawing from our open house last week. We had a fantastic turnout for our open house on May 14th. So we have the 4 prizes here. We're just getting around to getting this done because it's just been a busy week here at the Healing Spot with some new employee, and I had state track with my daughter. Anywho, let's get to this. We have 3 prizes that were open basically to the public for our current past patients that had stopped by to see us, as well as people that knew about the open house and stopped in to check out what we have here to offer at the Healing Spot. So we're going to do that drawing, and then we have the special one over here that's specifically for the practitioner. We invited our community partners to stop in, drop off business cards, and reconnect with us, and so we have a separate drawing for that. So we're going to get started here. We have the completed passports that everybody filled out while they were here with our different stations. So I'm just going to shuffle them. And the first prize here is our third prize, is our Strength and Wellness Starter Pack. So what's included in here is a Kegel weight set for strengthening the pelvic floor, a hat pack, a branded canvas tote bag that has the Healing Spot logo on it, or actually it's not our logo, just our logo. It's kind of a fun design. We have an inflatable ball here to do some myofascial release. We have a water bottle, a yoga brick, as well as 2 free online classes to our Fit to Be classes, and another myofascial ball for some release work, TheraBand, and a room spray. So quite a bit stuck in here for this starter pack. So let's see who the lucky winner is. All right, I'm just going to pick one of these out. And we have Susan Blognet. Hopefully I said that right. I don't think it was, though. We thought there's another Susan that actually stopped by. I don't know. No, I know. Okay, Susan Blogget. We had 2 Susans stop by, which was fantastic. So Susan, we'll get a hold of you, and we will have you stop on in to get your prize, okay? Second prize here is our Traveler's Recovery Kit, because we had this whole Passport to Healing theme, so that's why we have our themes on our prizes as well. We have a $100 gift certificate good towards shockwave therapy. We have a branded hot pack, the canvas tote bag, Intimate Rose personal lubricant that helps with just vaginal healing as well as support with intimacy, and an inflatable myofascial ball. We have access to our Rise and Shine bundle online class to do some self-care at home. You're going to learn how to use that ball. And there's a room spray in here as well, plus a private 30-minute consultation with one of our therapists. Okay, so we're going to see who the lucky winner is here. All right, we're going to pick this one out. Victoria Good. All right. So Victoria will be contacting you to let you know about your prize that you can stop in here. Okay, then for our general public, we have the grand prize here. This has a $200 gift certificate towards any of our services, a branded tote bag, the hot pack, access to Release Your Root self-paced online class, also learning some myofascial release techniques, 8 free Fit to Be classes, the soothing vaginal balm, plus the 30-minute consultation with one of our therapists. Okay, so let's see who the lucky winner of our grand prize is. All right, we're going to pick this one here. Celise Robinson Chavez. All right, lucky winner there. Let's get her attached. That way we know who's who. And then we're going to move down here to our one for the practitioner. So this one was our Traveler's Recovery Kit. Same one as this one. Okay, so I won't go over the details of that, but this is specifically for one of our community partners that stopped on in. So we're going to see who the lucky winner is. And it's Janelle Along. So thank you to everybody that stopped by. We really had a great time. We feel like we had a good turnout, and I think everybody that left with some valuable information. They got a chance to talk to our therapist. If you missed it, reach out to us. We'd be happy to chat with you, set up a one-on-one consultation with one of our therapists, talk to our front desk team, find out exactly what we do here, and get all of your questions answered. So thank you so much. I'm out.